What you doing? Lala. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ooh, that's careful there, buddy. You gonna dance? Dance, dance. Yeah. Dance, dance with the broom. Dance, dance. Careful. You're silly. You're being silly. Are you gonna sweep? You're gonna sweep the floor? Good job! Good job. Good job, Sweet Pea. Wow, you're really sweeping. Good boy. The wild part is that you're having so much fun sweeping. You having fun? You gonna sweep and dance at the same time? Can you say hi, Grandma?
Papa.
Can you say hi, Grandpa?
Papa.
Can you say Dad? Can
Dad.
you say Mom?
Ma.
Mom.
Mom.
Yeah. Can you say Grandma? Kieran, can you say Grandma? G and R together seems to be trickier to say. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
You say love you?
Bye.
Oh, thank you.